Hello students, we are talking about managerial skill course. As we know, the course name is managerial skill. The coordination area and program arts and commerce faculty, second year students. The course is offline MOOC course. This particular course is meant for 2 credits, teaching hours 32, autonomous learning 30. The period academic year 2020-21. Start date of this course February to April 2021. Total hours 32, theory 30 hours, practical 1 hours, tutorial 1 hour. Cross description. Prerequisite: the student will have to be officially enrolled in Modern College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Shivaji Nagar, Pune 5. Student should complete MCQ test, practicals, tutorials, feedbacks as per the schedule provided by the course coordinator. Through this course, there are certain course outcomes, and after learning this course, there are certain cognitive abilities that should be developed in the students. So course outcome 1 and the cognitive ability that are going to be developed is remembering. Course outcomes to offer exposure of essential managerial skills and developing these skills in the students. Course outcome 2, cognitive ability, understanding. Course outcomes define and understand the role of office manager, administrator in the organization. Course outcome 3, cognitive ability applying. Course outcome to identify and inculcate people skills in the students. Course outcome 4, cognitive ability analyzing, and the course outcome is to enable students for taking appropriate decisions in various business situations. Course outcome 5, evaluating. The course outcome to familiarize and develop an understanding about the skills required for employment enhancement. In this particular course, students are going to learn 5 different modules. Module 1, introduction to the managerial skill. Module 2, office management and administration skills. Module 3, organizational skills 1, people skills. Module 4, organizational skills 2, and module 5th, critical skills. Coming towards the module 1, introduction to the managerial skills, and the instructor is Dr. Shubhangi Vanarase, and the different topics covered under this particular module are introduction to the managerial skills and personal skills, importance of competent managers, skills of effective managers, developing self-awareness, SWOT analysis, confidence building, emotional intelligence, business writing, self-management, time management, meeting management, telephone handling. Module 2, office management and administrative skills, Instructor Professor Pallavi Shintre. Syllabus of this particular module: Introduction to the Office Management and Administrative Skills, Internet, Intranet, Extranet, LAN, WAN, Office Automation. Documentation, repository, data handling and security, data mining, data warehousing, generating reports and drafting presentations with Microsoft Office, MS Excel and PowerPoint, managing website content, social media accounts or marketing campaign, technical support to customer and employees. Module 3, Organizational Skills. 1. People Skills. Instructor Dr. Shubhangi Vanarase. The topic covered under this module are Introduction to the Organizational Skills and People Skills, Leadership Skills, Delegation, Team Management, Relationship Management Skills, Communication Skills, Presentation Skills, Attitude and Motivation, Visionary Thinking. Module 4, Organizational Skills 2nd. Instructor Dr. Shravan Owa. Syllabus of this module: Decision Making Skills, Problem Solving Skills, Conflicts Management, Negotiation Skills, Professionalism, Creativity and Innovation. Module 5th, Critical Skills. Instructor Dr. Shravan Owa. Syllabus: Critical and Logical Thinking, Agility with Adaptability, Developing Quality of Mind, Initiative and Entrepreneurship, Attitude towards Life and General Business Understanding. Throughout the course, at the end of each module, the textbooks and reference books will be given by each instructor. Students being assessed on 2 levels: formative assessment and summative assessment. Formative assessment, MCQ test will be conducted throughout the course. 1 practical will be conducted and 1 tutorial will be conducted. In summative assessment, exam will be conducted at the end or conclusion of all the modules as per the college policy. Grading: since the course is meant for 2 credit, the total marks allotted will be 50. Formative and summative assessment weightage will be 40-60 and the minimum passing criteria 40% in each assessment. Schedule: tentative calendar of topics and dates for exam. The following is the tentative schedule of main topics and dates for the exam, MCQ exams. This is only the tentative schedule and the college authority reserves the right to make necessary changes at any time. Schedule: the course will be start in the 2nd week of February 2021. So week 2, lecture 1, an introduction to the course managerial skills. Week 2, lecture 2, introduction to managerial skills and personal skills, importance of competent managers. Week 2, Lecture 3, Skills of Effective Managers, Developing Self-Awareness. At the end of week, there will be one MCQ test. February 2021, Week 3. Week 3, Lecture 4, SOC Analysis, Confidence Building. Week 3, Lecture 5, Emotional Intelligent, Business Writing. There will be one tutorial on business writing. Week 3, Lecture 6, Self-Management, Time Management, and at the end of week there will be one MCQ test. February 2021, Week 4, Lecture 7, Meeting Management, Telephone Handling. Week 4, Lecture 8, Module 2, An Introduction to Office Management and Administrative Skills, Use of Internet. Week 4, Lecture 9, Intranet, Extranet, LAN, WAN. At the end of week, MCQ test will be conducted. March 2021, Week 1, Lecture 10, Office Automation, Documentation, Repository. Week 1, Lecture 11, Data Handling, Data Security. Week 1, Lecture 12, Generating Reports and Drafting Presentations with MS Word, MS Excel, and at the end of week, MCQ test will be conducted. March 2021, Week 2, Lecture 13, Generating Reports and Drafting Presentations with MS Excel and PowerPoint. There will be practical test on MS Word, MS Excel and PowerPoint. Week 2, Lecture 14, Managing Website Content, Social Media Accounts or Marketing Campaign. Week 2, Lecture 15, Technical Support to Customer and Employees. At the end of week, the MCQ test will be conducted. March 2020-21, Week 3, Lecture 16, Module 3, An Introduction to Organizational Skills, People Skills. Week 3, Lecture 17, Leadership Skills, Delegation. Week 3, Lecture 18, Time Management, Relationship Management, Managerial Skills. At the end of week, there will be MCQ test. March 2020-21, Week 4, Lecture 19, Communication Skills. Week 4, Lecture 20, Presentation Skills. Week 4, Lecture 21, Motivation, Visionary Thinking, and at the end there will be one MCQ test. April 2020-21, Week 1, Lecture 22, Module 4, An Introduction to Decision Making Skills. Week 1, Lecture 23, Problem Solving, Conflicts Management. April 2021, Week 2, Lecture 25, Creativity and Innovations. Week 2, Lecture 25, Module 5, An introduction to critical skills, critical and logical thinking. Week 2, lecture 27, agility with adaptability. At the end, there will be MCQ test. April 2021, week 3, lecture 28, developing quality of minds. Week 3, lecture 29, initiative and entrepreneurship. Week 3, lecture 30, attitude towards life and general business understanding. At the end of the week, there will be one MCQ test. Final exam to be conducted as per the college policy. Now coming towards the instructor information. The first instructor named Dr. Shravan Ovar. Qualification BSc Chemistry, DBM, MMS, Production and Operation and Marketing Management. PhD in Marketing Management by Savitribai Phule, Pune University. Work experience, total 26 years, 12 years industry experience and 14 years teaching experience. Research publications in international, national journals. Chairman, paper setter for management subjects at university level. Guided more than 300 students for internships and dissertations during their post-graduation. Second instructor, Dr. Shubhangi Banarase. Qualification, PhD in Organization and Management by Savitribai Phule, Pune University. MBA, HR and Marketing, Savitribai Phule, Pune University. Work experience, 14 years. Research publications in national and international journals. Paper setter for management subject at university level. Guided more than 100 students for internships during their post-graduation. Life member of Indian Society for Training and Development, ISTD. Member of Pune Management Association. Third instructor, Mrs. Pallavi N. Shintre. Qualification, pursuing PhD in Organization Management in Savitribai Phule, Pune University. MPM, MBA, IT and BE Production. Work experience, 10 years. Research publication in national and international journals. Paper setter for management subjects at university level. Guided more than 100 students for internship during post-graduation. Thank you.